Welcome to Digital Learning. Dear students, we are studying Unit 5, Session 55 of Organizational Behavior of 5th Semester BBA of Mangalore University. Today's topic is Emotional Intelligence. In the last session, we have studied the concept of work stress and ethics in workplace. Learning objective of today's session is to understand the concept of emotional intelligence. Students will be able to understand the concept of emotional intelligence listening to this video class. We will discuss meaning of emotions, meaning of emotional intelligence, components of emotional intelligence. Meaning of emotions. Emotion is a strong feeling deriving from one's circumstances, moods, and relationship with others. It is a feeling which is derived from the circumstances, mood, and relationship with others. However, most psychologists would agree that the best word to describe emotions would be how a person feels about something. The word is how the words which can be used to denote or describe emotions is how a person feels about something. You show your emotions when you are happy about something, angry at someone, afraid of something. So, happiness, anger, and you are if you are afraid, these are the different feelings you have, they are the emotions. Aristotle wrote, emotions are those feelings that so change men as to affect their judgment, and that are also attended by pain or pleasure, such are anger, pity, fear, and the like, with their opposites. Now let us discuss about the meaning of emotional intelligence, meaning and definition. The term emotional intelligence was first coined in the year 1990 by researchers John Mayer and Peter Salovey. But later it was popularized by the famous psychologist Daniel Goleman. The emotional intelligence word itself is after Daniel Goleman. So he wrote a book on this also. Emotional intelligence is the definition given by Salovey and Mayer is like this on emotional intelligence. He says emotional intelligence is the ability to monitor one's own and other people's emotions, to discriminate between different emotions and label them appropriately, and to use emotional information to guide thinking and behavior. So, this is the beautiful definition given by them. So, we should monitor our own emotions and emotion of other people. We should be in a position to discriminate between different emotions and give them a label, and use this information to guide the thinking and behavior. Very beautiful. Daniel Goleman gave a definition of this on this emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence refers to emotional awareness, emotional management skills, which provide the ability to balance emotion and reason so as to maximize long-term happiness. According to him, it refers to the emotional awareness, emotional management skill. These are the two important parts of that. So that will provide the ability to balance emotions. We should be in a position to balance the emotions and reason, and we should maximize the long-term happiness. That's important. The components of emotional intelligence. See, self-awareness, social awareness, self-management, social skill. It is presented here in the form of a diagram here. See that this picture shows that the scene here given here shows a beautiful explanation of the components of emotional intelligence. See here, self. Here we are thinking about the self. Self and recognition, self and regulation. Self recognition is who I am, that is self awareness. We should be aware of ourselves. We should know our emotions. We should know our feelings. We should know it. That is, we should be aware of our own emotions. Self awareness is very important. Second one is regulation of ourselves. What I do, it should be in our control. We should manage it. That is self management. And this is others. Others recognition. That is social awareness. We should be aware of the society. We should be aware of the feelings, emotions of the society. The social awareness is another part of the emotional intelligence. And social skill, this is also about others. We should get ourselves, uh, we should know the skills which are necessary to control the emotions. We should have some of the social skills to control the emotions. The rapport with the society and other skills are very much essential here. So, characteristics of emotional intelligence may be better than the traditional intelligence quotient in predicting future life success. These are the books for further studies. We have some multiple choice questions here. Emotion is dash deriving from one's circumstances, mood, or relationship with others. A feeling, a strong feeling, an attitude, none of them. Second question is term emotional intelligence was first coined in the year 1990, 91, 1890, 2019. Term emotional intelligence was popularized by Daniel Goleman, Fred Luthans, John Mayer, Peter Salovey. Fourth question is emotional intelligence refers to dash which provide ability to balance emotion and reason so as to maximize long-term happiness. A definition is this definition was given by Daniel Goleman. You have to fill up to complete this definition. The answers are given here. 4 choices are given here: emotional awareness, emotional management skill, both of them. Components of emotional intelligence are given here. Different choices are given. We have to choose the correct answer. Social awareness, self-management, self-awareness, self-management, social awareness, and social skill. Self-awareness, self-management, social awareness, and communication skill. Self-awareness and self-management, self-awareness and social awareness. So the answers are given here. For the first question, B is the answer. For the second question, A is the answer. For the third question, A is the answer. And for the first question also, C. For the fourth question, C is the answer. And for the fifth question, A is the answer. Thank you for listening to the class.